Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Our travel credit card to art it and for non-aspirational is it a good idea to get a travel card? Why do I need a credit card for travel? Quite simply you can save a lot of money with a travel credit card. If it's your main card on holiday, then you can potentially save a fortune in fees. Specialized travel cards do not charge fees for spending, unlike most everyone credit card. What are the advantages of a travel card? They can be pricey. Travel card fees tend to be higher than the typical credit debit card. There can be fees for loading and reloading prepaid card. Do travel cards save you money? A good travel debit card will save you lots of money and does not charge monthly or account keeping fees. It does not charge a foreign transaction fee or fees to withdraw cash from ATMs in Australia or abroad. It has good security and it is easy to transfer funds into when overseas. What's the point of a travel credit card? You have probably heard a travel credit card or travel rewards card, but you may not be clear on how they work. This card may give points or miles for making both travel purchases and every day purchases. Once you accumulated enough points or miles, you can redeem them for reward like flights and hotel stays. Is a travel card better than pay as you go? As a general rule, a travel card is more expensive than an Oyster card or contactless payment card. The exception is if you make three or more journeys for 6 days or more within a 7-day period. In this case, a 7-day travel card works out cheaper than an Oyster or contactless payment card. Is a travel card better than cash? Safer than cash? Using a prepaid travel card is generally safer than carrying the equivalent amount in cash, as if it's stolen you can cancel the card and stand a better chance of being able to get back the remaining balance on the card. You will often also be issued with a replacement card. Which travel card is best for travel? Best travel credit cards of August 2023. Change Freedom Unlimited, Best Future, Flexible Cashback, Reward Capital One, Venta Reward Credit Card, Best Future Travel Reward United Gateway, SM Card, Best Freedom Future United Airlines Reward Capital One, Venture One Reward Credit Card, Best Future No Annual Fee.